Hello guys, today I show you how to separate these two is separately. So this two is component. This two is component. Example, when I edit on this one, I push pull. See, pulls are the same. So how to separate it? To separate it, you click on this one and right click, make unique. Okay. So when you edit it, see, this one is not follow this component again. Is I extrude this. See, this one is not follow. Again, I will draw again. Oh, sorry. Here, use P. Okay, so I will make as component this one. I create, yeah, and then I copy this one. Okay. Again, when you do change on this one, this is will follow. Okay, it will follow, yeah. So to change it, right click on it and make as unique. Okay, so when you change on this one, see, this one doesn't follow this one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.